I'm not exactly sure what this place is. I haven't tried it yet. This is a nightclub where people in their 20s and 30s come to drink and meet new people. I can't believe it. They say the success rate of finding a date here is 99.9%. That's really hard to believe. Not all Korean women look like this. This is a self-photo studio. Oh. I think I also saw one in Manhattan, New York. They say it symbolizes bringing stock price rise. The life buoy is for emergency use only. For reference, the water depth is about 40 centimeters. Jonggak Avenue of Youth is a bustling district located near Jonggak Station in Jongno-gu, Seoul, and is one of the hottest places where young people gather. This area has a vibrant atmosphere, with a mix of university students, office workers, and tourists. It is especially popular due to its relatively affordable prices, offering a variety of food and entertainment options. Located close to major tourist attractions such as Insadong, Cheonggyecheon, Bukchon Hanok Village, and Gwanghwamun, it is a well-loved spot where visitors explore cultural sites during the day and enjoy the lively nightlife in the evening. This is a restaurant specializing in grilled beef tripe. Right now, it's around 4 p.m. on a Friday, so university students are at school and office workers are at work, making the streets relatively quiet. It gets very crowded in the evening. This is a restaurant that sells fried chicken and beer. The combination of chicken and beer is one of the most iconic K-food dishes. In Korea, it's called cheonggyecheon. Have you tried it yet? This is a Korean barbecue restaurant. They serve various grilled beef dishes, and the price is about $9 to $10 for 150 grams. If you go that way, you'll see Cheonggyecheon stream. The life buoy is for emergency use only. For reference, the water depth is about 40 centimeters. The restaurant over there specializes in Dakgalbi. Dakgalbi is a popular Korean dish made with spicy stir-fried chicken, vegetables, rice cakes, and sometimes cheese. The chicken is marinated in a gochujang-based sauce, giving it a rich, savory, and slightly spicy flavor. Right now, there aren't many young people around. I've seen a lot of these bull statues in Japan. Oh. I think I also saw one in Manhattan, New York. They say it symbolizes bringing stock price rise. This is a nightclub where people in their 20s and 30s come to drink and meet new people. I can't believe it. They say the success rate of finding a date here is 99.9%. That's really hard to believe. There's an English menu available. This word means romance. People tend to look for Korean soju when eating this dish. This is a beer pub. This is one of Korea's major fried chicken franchise restaurants. It has the most locations nationwide, over 2,000 stores. This is also one of Korea's leading fried chicken franchise restaurants, ranking among the top in sales. I'm not exactly sure what this place is. I haven't tried it yet. This is a grilled beef tripe restaurant. The menu items are around $17 per dish. This is a restaurant specializing in Jongak, Korean-style beef tartare, and bindae-thuk, mung bean pancakes. Jongak is a Korean-style beef tartare, made with finely sliced raw beef that is seasoned with soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, sugar, and other spices. It is usually topped with a raw egg yolk and served with sliced Korean pear, adding a refreshing sweetness. Bindae-thuk is a savory Korean pancake made from ground mung beans, vegetables, and sometimes meat. It is pan-fried until crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Not all Korean women look like this. This is a self-photo studio, a kind of entertainment spot targeting the younger generation. This is a scooter delivering fried chicken or other dishes to customers. This looks like a Chinese restaurant. This is another major fried chicken franchise restaurant in Korea. That person appears frequently on TV.